Afternoon, ma'am. I am Kenneth Marcelo, the leader of Group 5, and this is my group mates.
I am Emmanuel Ortiliosa.
Nico Jarvi Molina of grade 12 Everett, and I'm gonna recite the metric system versus the English
Good
system.
day, ma'am. My name is Vincent Galinada, and I will recite the importance of measurement. And the next video will be our importance of measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the assignment of a number to a characteristic of an object or event, which can be compared with other objects or events. The scope and application of measurement are dependent on the context and discipline. What is the importance of measurement? Measurement is important because we need it in order to compare objects. We also need measurement to measure our body weight, height, and width. Measurement is also important in order for the scientists to conduct their studies and experiments. Measurement is also important for farming, engineering, construction, commerce, and other works. There are also several types of devices in order to measure any kinds of objects like ruler. A ruler sometimes is called a rule or a line gauge. It's a device used in geometry and technical drawing, as well as the engineering and the construction industries, to measure distances or draw straight lines. Measuring cups. A measuring cup or measuring jug is a kitchen utensil used primarily to measure the volume of liquid or bulk solid cooking ingredients, such as flour and sugar, especially for volumes from about 50 ml upwards. Measuring cups are also used to measure washing powder, liquid detergents, and bleach for clothes washing. Weighing scale. A beam balance is a device to measure weight or mass. These are also known as mass scales, weight scales, mass balances, and weight balances, or simply scales, balances, or balances scales. The traditional consists of two plates or balls suspended at equal distance from a fulcrum. And tape measure. A tape measure or measuring tape is a flexible ruler used to measure size or distances. It consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass, or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is a compound measuring tools, and it was also used for surveyors. Used tapes measure in lengths of over 100 meters.
While the minimum round dining table size for 4 starts at 36 inches, a pedestal base works best to allow more room for chairs and leg space, especially if there are table legs. The ideal round dining table size for 4 is 48 to 50 inches. The unit of measurement for weight is that of force, which in the International System of Units is the Newton. For example, an object with a mass of 1 kilogram has a weight of about 9.8 newtons on the surface of the Earth and about 1/6 as much on the Moon. The term dimension in architecture is related to the measure of things. This is their size and shape as we perceive them visually. In geometry, the dimension is the area of a surface, is a volume and length or width. Therefore, buildings plans with dimension of houses in the distance between the limits of a surface according to the lines, length, height, width, and thickness.
What is measurement conversion? Measurement conversion is important when it comes to measurement, height or weight, temperature, length, speed, and others. With this measurement, measuring make it things easier, and the conversion of units is uses for conversion of different units, such as measurement for the same quantity of multiplicated conversion of factors. Example of measurement conversion. Length. Length can convert meter into various units like millimeters, centimeters, and kilometers. Capacity. Volume such as millimeter or liters or pints or gallons in imperial. Mass and weight is a property of whether and measured in kilograms. Weight is measured of the force of gravity on a physical object and measured in newtons. Time. Convert time measurement including years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds.
Metric system versus English system. The US is one of the few countries globally which still uses the imperial system of measurement, where things are measured in feet, inches, pounds, ounce, etc. Most countries use the metric system, which uses the measuring units such as meters and grams and adds prefix like kilo, milli, and centi to count orders of magnitude. The imperial system is called the British Imperial because it came from the British Empire that ruled many parts of the world from the 16th to 19th century. After the US gained independence from Britain, the new American government decided to keep this type of measurement even though the metric system was gaining in popularity at that time. We are one of the few countries in the world that still use this system, and first-time visitors can find it confusing. 1 mil equals 1.6 kilometers. Many cars will show miles and kilometers on speedometer. 1 foot, 12 inches, is equal to 30 centimeters. 1 inches is about 25 millimeters or 2.54 centimeters. A 3-foot measurement is almost exact 1 meter, but keep in mind that it's not exact 3:1 ratio. 1 kilogram is just over 2 pounds. A pound is about 454 grams. For UK visitors, 14 pounds.